Space between your big toe and the next toe, right behind the ankle. And then from here, slowly come up. If it's too intense, come to your high plank. Exhale to your downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up. Bend the right knee. Rotate the right knee towards you first. Can move the right knee towards you and then open it to the side. That's going to signal the muscles na open. So you can point the right knee to the sky. Right knee pointing up sa ceiling. Okay, slightly bend your left knee, find your bottom. Or your right toes behind you, lift up the hips, reach the right arm towards the front of the room, tiptoe your right foot, tiptoe your right foot, good, and then come back to that. Very nice. Chaturanga, Tadasana, or you can lower all the way down, or bend the knees, lower the chest, lower the chin, upward facing dog, inhale, downward facing dog, exhale. Breathing in, and breathing out. On the next inhale, lift the right leg up and back. Bend the right knee forward. Step your right foot outside of the right hand, on the right side of your right hand, okay, to avoid runner's lunge. Lift the right arm up, right hand. Let it glide across the left arm, across the chest, and then lift it up. Gaze at your right thumb. Take an inhale there. Now, exhale. Bend your right arm, support the back of your head. Okay. On the exhale, move your right armpit towards the left knee. Very good. So there's a gentle twist. Inhale, slowly, open it up again, pointing the right knee all the way up, towards, right elbow all the way up towards the ceiling. So open through the right side of your chest. And then exhale, moving the right armpit, okay, towards the left knee. Very nice. And then slowly open up again. Reach the right arm all the way up towards the sky. Okay, very good. Okay, so we're here. Now, move the right foot halfway across the long end of the mat. Okay, so start to point your right toes towards the side. And then lower the left foot outer edge. Lower the right foot outer edge as well. And then reach your right arm towards the back as you lower the hips a little. Very nice, okay? Come back center, inhale, lift it up. Lower the right hand down. Now walk your hands all the way towards the left foot. Skandasana to the left. Bend your left knee, stretch the right leg. Press the right heel, lift the right toes, palms to your heart. Inhale. Exhale. Side angle pose, facing the left side. Very good. Feel that openness on the left side body, slanting from the tip of the left fingers to the sole of the left foot. On your inhale, up to your reverse warrior. So you can look up. The right knee is bending. The right foot is pointing 12 o'clock. The left foot can be pointing at 9 o'clock. Very good. Beautiful. Everyone. Reverse warrior. Taking another inhale here. And then on the exhale, circle your arms down on both sides of the right foot. Step the right foot back from runner's lunge, high plank. Now, lower the forearms down, forearm plank. You can lower the knees down, okay? You can lower the knees down. Press the palms, let's come back up to high plank. Lower the forearms down, one at a time, forearm plank. Come back to high plank, press the palms, and then okay. Again, you can lower your knees down. Okay, one last round. Forearms down. Belly in, high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Cover look forward, step towards the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, reach your arms to the side, letter T. Halfway lift, arms to a T. Facing the palms down, bending the knees a little, bending the knees a lot. Come to the tips of your toes, tiptoe here. Breathing in, breathing out. Slowly move the arms forward and up. Bending the knees, sit low, find your chair pose. Exhale, mountain pose, Tadasana. Lower the heels down, hands to your heart, and then arms. Inhale, lift the arms all the way up. Exhale, fold forward. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale to plank or jump back. Chaturanga, Dandasana. Again, lower all the way down. Lower everything down, or chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing up. Exhale, down, facing down. Lift the left leg up and back. Bend the left knee, hook forward, and step the left foot down beside your left hand. Okay? Now, we're going to lift the left hand, glide it across the right arm, and then across the chest. Signal your chest to face flat to the side, and then lift the left arm up. So just getting used to this twist. Okay? And then breathe here. Inhale. On the exhale, okay, support the back of your head, okay, with your left hand. Okay, take a breath there. Inhale. Exhale, curl. Okay. And then one more round. Inhale. Lift up. Open through the chest. Exhale. A gentle twist. And then inhale. Lift it up again. Reach the arm up. All the way up. Very good. Now, so start to walk. Left arm up. Reach it towards the sky. Start to walk your left foot halfway across the long end of your mat. And then lower the right foot sa outer blade. And then lower the left foot sa outer edge. And then reach your left arm towards the back of the room. Lower the hips down. Very good. Breathe in and breathe out. On the inhale, take a back up. Lower the left hand down. Walk your hands all the way towards the right foot. Bend your right knee, Skandasana. Prayer pose. Extend your left leg. Press the left heel. Lift the left toes. Very good. And then arms to a T. Find your balance. Letter T. Very good. And then stay here for a while. Breathing in. Beautiful. Everyone. Breathing out. Now, slowly lower your hands down. Walk your hands all the way towards your left foot. Find your side angle pose. Right arm reaches overhead. Very good. Open through the right side body. Very nice. That's it. Got it. Slant your right arm up. On the next inhale, reversing warrior. Keep bending the left knee forward. Keep breathing. Come as deep as you want. You can reach for your left hip. You can reach for your left thigh. You can look up. Reverse warrior. Taking another full breath here. Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale. Circle your arms down both sides of your left foot. Step your left foot back and go through your windmill. And lower the knees, chest and chin, or you can lower all the way down. Or just bend the elbows, jump around the upward dog. Inhale. Downward facing dog. Exhale. And then breathe here. Inhale, start to wave your body to a high plank. Okay, so come to the tips of your toes. Lift the hips. Roll to your lower back, middle back, upper back. Come to your high plank. Bend your knees. Hover your knees an inch or two. Move the hips back. And then tilt the tailbone up, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, waving your body to a high plank again. Exhale, bending the knees, hover, moving the hips back again. And then lift the hips up. then come to your high plank. Lower the knees this time. Lower the hips, the belly, the chest, and the chin. Okay. Press the palms. Flatten the tops of your feet. Lift your chin. Peel your chest off the mat. Now, lift your palms. Lift the legs. Legs apart. Feet apart. And start to reach your arms all the way towards the back of the room to your locust pose. Press onto your belly. See if you can lift the chest a little higher. Beautiful. Breathing in. Breathing out, slowly lowering down. Then rest on your left cheek. Inhale. Exhale. On the next inhale, slowly lift the head, okay? Lift the chin, lift the arms, lift the legs. Stay here or bend your knees. If you're ready for bow pose, go ahead. Lift the thighs, lift the chest, press onto your belly. Exhale, release. Rest on the right side of your head. Relax your arms, relax your feet, your legs. One more breath, inhale, and then exhale. Slowly move your hands beside your rib cage, a little below the chest, move the feet together, upward dog on your inhale, downward facing dog as you exhale. Now press your palms, press your feet, imagine stretching your mat apart. Look upward, look forward, widen the distance, wide feet apart, look up. So you can bend the knees, you can jump, or you can step your feet outside of your hands. Malasana, yogi squat, hands in prayer, press the elbows against the inner sides of your knees, lengthen the spine. Lengthen the upper back, close your eyes, and breathe through your hips. Crown of the head is moving up towards the sky. Come back to your intentions. Think of how your intentions resonate with your practice so far. Lower your hands down, lift the hips, and then fold forward. Very good. So, the feet are close, a little close towards each other, maybe as wide as 2 fists distance apart. Your hands are in front of your knees, in front of your feet, okay, just a few inches. Now we're going to lift the right leg up. Right leg up, like your 3-legged downward dog. So right leg up, bend the right knee. Now, move your right knee towards your chest or towards your face, and then start to rotate it to the side. Point the right knee up towards the ceiling, okay, or towards the sky, pointing the right knee up, and then reach your left arm out of the mat, reach the right fingers out of the mat. Okay, so the right knee is pointing up, and we're looking down, the crown of the head is pointing towards the floor, and you're reaching both arms out and outside of the mat. Okay, come to the tips of your fingers. Breathing in, breathing out, lower the right foot down. Very good. Okay, take a halfway lift. Inhale, exhale, fold. Come to your ragdoll, hold opposite elbows. Frame your head with your arms and then slowly move the side to side. Okay, so that's already halfway through our hip pose. Okay, lower your hands down once again, and then we'll do the other side. Lift the left leg up and back, bend the left knee, move the left knee towards you, rotate it first so that the muscles are prepared and they know what to do, where to go. Start to point the left knee up towards the ceiling. So the left foot starts to move towards your right butt cheek. Yung left foot, left heel, papunta sa puwet, sa right puwet. Move your arms out to the side. And then point the crown of your head down towards towards the floor. Very nice. Beautiful, everyone. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Very nice form. Breathing out. Lower your left foot down. Okay. And then fold forward. Once again, ragdoll. Hold the opposite elbows. Forward. And then release. Come back center. Release your hands. Okay. Now, we're going to step the feet back to high plank. Okay. Left foot all the way back. Para mababa na yung hips, right foot all the way back. Chaturanga, Dandasana, up to the tips of your toes, or you can lower all the way down. Inhale, flip, exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in, breathing out. Look up or look forward. Walk, hop, or step towards the space between your hands. Take a halfway lift. Inhale, exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up, reach your arms forward and up, sit low. Bend your knees, chair pose. Inhale, exhale, continue to breathe in. As you breathe out, sit a little lower. Come to the tips of your toes, tiptoe tayo sa chair pose, tiptoe. And then sit a little lower, maybe sit all the way down. And once you're here, lower your heels down, reach your arms forward, find your boat pose. You can use your hands now. You can lower your hands down and then lift the feet, point the toes, boat pose. Okay, you can slant the upper body. Okay, we're going to come here and come to low boat. Okay, so this is 3 rounds. Inhale here, exhale low boat. Let's wake up the core. Inhale boat. Exhale low boat. You can use your hands. Inhale boat. Exhale low boat. Inhale boat. And then lower the feet down. There we go. Okay. Okay, draw your hands down. Find your downward facing dog. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Lift the right leg up and back. 3-legged downward facing dog. Keep the right leg straight. Diretso lang yung right leg. Straighten it. There you go. And then breathe there. Inhale. Beautiful, everyone. As you exhale, bend the right knee forward. Move your right knee to your left elbow. So may konting twist siya. Right knee to the left elbow. And then straighten the right leg all the way out towards the side. So right knee to the left elbow, straighten to the side. Pivot your left foot flat, fallen triangle, lift the left arm up. Exhale, lower the left hand down, lift the right leg up, tiptoe the left foot back to your 3-legged downward dog. Exhale, your one thing. Okay, lower the right foot behind your left knee, lift the hips, back bend it, reach your right arm all the way towards the front of the room. Very nice. Come back, plank, and then do your vinyasa. Then all knee and downward facing dog. Once you're here, right leg up and back, same leg. Exhale, bend the right knee forward, step it down between your hands. Okay, come to the tips of your fingers and then straighten the right knee. You can use your blocks. Pyramid pose, lengthen through the spine, tilt the head up, look up, both knees are straight. Okay? Inhale here, exhale and fold. Inhale, lift up again. Exhale, bend the right knee, bend the left knee, lower the left knee down. Flatten the top of the left foot down. Reach the arms all the way up. Take an inhale here. As you exhale, press onto your right foot. Press onto the top of your left foot. And then lift the left knee. Even just 1 inch. Okay? Very good. Yeah, just do what you can. Kahit hindi mag-lift. Exhale. Lower down. Okay? Now, tuck your left toes. Let's come to crescent lunge, move the arms down, up, and forward. Lift the left knee. Breathe here. Inhale. And then exhale. Power lunge. Hinge forward. Ground down onto the right foot. Breathing air here. Breathing in. Breathing out. Palms together. Hands to your heart. Face the long end of your mat. Find your goddess. Turn the heels in. Point the toes out. Sink into the hips. Facing the long end of the mat. On the inhale, reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands on your hips. Hinge forward. Lower the fingers down. Walk your hands in line with your feet or beyond the line of your feet. Press your palms down and start to move the crown of your head towards the yoga mat. Okay? Fold forward. Both knees are straight. Breathing in. Adjust your, so not too wide, no? Not too wide sa legs kasi mawawala yung balance nyo. Okay, and then start to fold. Bend your elbows. Yan. And then crown of the head, let it touch down to the floor if the body allows it. Very good. And then breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. And then breathing out slowly, halfway lift, lift up, hands on your hips, okay, and then come all the way up. Good. And then face towards the front of the room. Bend the right knee, and then lower your hands down. Runner's lunge, tiptoe to back foot. Very good. And then from our runner's lunge, okay, we're going to move a little forward and back here. So dip your hips and then move it back. Dip the hips. Feel the hips stretch, move it back. This time, dip the hips, lift the heart open through the chest. And then exhale, come back center, step your right foot back. Downward facing dog. Exhale, lift the left leg up and back. Three-legged downward facing dog. Bend your left knee, move the left knee towards the right elbow, so twist. Left knee to the right elbow, straighten the left leg out. Yeah, lift it higher, move the left leg here. Mataas ng konti. So, like right there. Tapos mababa ng konti yung hips. Okay, lower the hips a little. Good, so you can lift that. So you can move the leg up higher. Towards here, no? Yung bottom leg. Okay, so fallen triangle tayo. Fallen triangle. Yeah. Straight lang yung arm. Okay. Yeah. Straight arm. Good. And then the left leg is here. Okay? One thing, everyone, lower your right hand down. Three-legged downward facing dog. Lift the left leg up and back. Exhale. Bend the right knee. Lower the left foot behind your right knee. And then one thing. Lift the hips. Lift the chest. Back bend. Reach to the front of your room. Yeah, back bend. Yeah. Open to the chest. Very good. Smile. Nice. And then come back. Very good. Chaturanga. You still have it. Upward facing dog. Inhale. Downward dog. Exhale. Okay. Now, gently walk your hands back halfway down. Bend your knees. And then plug your elbows against the, plug your knees. Nasa taas ng elbows. Press your palms down. Shift your weight forward. Let's just try crow. Just a few rounds. Shifting the weight forward, lift one foot at a time, or you can lift both feet at the same time. You can stay in your malasana. So just try. Yeah, you can try jumping backwards. Crow. Okay. Yeah, let's come back to the top of your mat. Fold forward. facing dog once again. Inhale, left leg up and back. Exhale, bend the left knee forward, step the left foot down between your hands. Okay? Come to the tips of your fingers, straighten the left knee, lift through the heart, open through the chest, pyramid pose. Lengthen. Very good. Both knees are straight. Check your front knee. If it is straight. If you need to bend it, that's okay. On the exhale, fold forward chin, moving towards the shin bone. Very good. Inhale. Exhale. Chin to shin. Slowly from here, lift the head. Bend the left knee, bend the right knee, lower the right knee down, reach the arms up. Inhale. Flatten the top of the right foot. Press the left foot down, press the top of the right foot. Stay here or lift the right knee an inch or two. That's fine. Exhale, lower down. Lower the hands down, okay? And then tuck the right toes. Lift the arms up again. Inhale, lift the right knee, tuck your tailbone in, slightly bend the right knee, high crescent lunge. Inhale, power lunge. Exhale. Good. Ground down onto the left foot. Prayer pose. Face the long end of your mat. Goddess pose. Bend your knees. Turn the toes. Turn the heels in. Toes out. Sink into the hips. Inhale. Very nice. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Straighten the knees. Lift both arms up. Palms still touching. Look up. Very good. Star pose. Inhale. Exhale. Hands on your waist or your hips. Hinge forward and then fold all the way down. Lower your hands down. Round 2. Padmasana 8. Walk your hands back. Let the crown of your head touch down. More weight on the toes. So you can do that in weights at toes if you tilt your tailbone and when you suck your belly in. So suck the belly in, tilt the foot up, tailbone up, and then fold forward so that creates space in your body so you can fold forward and then the ground of the head touches down. Slowly rise up, hands on the hips, slowly come up, face the front of the room, bend the left knee, lower the hands down. Runner's lunge, step the left foot back. Chaturanga, the Dhanasana, or lower on the way down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lower your knees down. Okay, let's prepare the arms. Come to kneeling position. And then reach your arms out to the side. Hug yourself right over your left arm. You can stay here or you can put your palms back to back. Lift the elbows, back bend, and eagle arms. Very good. The hips are moving a little forward. And then breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. And breathing out. Come back center. Release the arms. Okay. And then switch. Left over the right arm. Stay here. Hugging yourself. Lift your elbows or palms back to back. Full eagle pose. Palms away from the face. Elbows lifting away. Back bend. Feel the openness of the shoulders. And then slowly release. Okay, come back center. Lower your hands down. Okay, and then from here, find your table position. Extend the left leg, lift the left leg. Extend the right arm, lift it up. Lifted limbs, reaching in opposite directions. Now, point the left knee up towards the ceiling. Elevate the right arm to the side and reach for your left foot. Okay, so you can stay here or you can hold your left foot, press the earth, and lift the chest. Lift the knee higher, kick it away from your head. Very nice. Breathe here, inhale, exhale, release. Okay, keep them lifted. And then right arm down, tuck the left toes, tuck the right toes, coming into high plank. And then lower the left knee down, lift the right leg, lift the left arm. Bend the right knee, pointing the toes up towards the ceiling, elongate the left arm, reach it all the way to the side, reach it all the way towards the back, and then catch your right foot. Okay, if the body allows it. Now you're holding your foot, everyone is holding your foot. Very good. Press the right arm, lift the chest away from the mat, lift the knee, kick the foot away. Very good, and then release. Table position. Very nice. Okay, take a breath here. Let's rest in downward facing dog. Tuck your toes, lift the knees, lift the hips, downward facing dog. 3 full breaths. Press your palms, and then move your arm bones away from the shoulder socket. So there's space there. Okay, on your shoulders. Tilt your tailbone. Breathing in and breathing out. And then lower your knees down. Okay, so yeah, you can sit on your heels first. Okay, so yung next natin, we're going to come from downward facing dog, and then we're going to lift the right leg up. Okay, and then bend the right knee, step it outside of the right hand. Okay, we're going to scoop the right arm under, and then scoop or extend the left arm. You can tiptoe or you can pivot the left foot flat. Okay. And then from here, we're going to lower the left hand down and then lower the right hand outside of the right foot. So nakasukulap yung kanina. We're going to step the left foot 1 step forward, lift the left foot, reach for the left foot, and then you can stay here. Or you can move your left hand all the way towards the outside of the mat. And then start to point the left knee up, straighten the standing leg, and then twist to the left shoulder. Let's find your balance here, and then keep reaching, keep pointing the left knee up, and then release. Okay. And then we're going to do the other side. Left leg up, once again, step it outside. So you can rest for a while, not habang tinindeh mo ito. And then you can tiptoe the back foot or you can flatten it. Okay? Yeah. And then you lower the hands down. And step the right foot 1 step closer, bend and catch. Tips of the fingers on the right side, point the right knee up. Start to straighten the standing leg, start to point the right knee up. Saan pala magsalita?
May nag-nakalit kami ng
Okay, and then we release. Okay, so there's an easy version, which is
This is the easiest, watching you perform.
catch your left foot dito from the back, and then point it up. Yung ginawa natin kanina. Pero kanina kasi nakaganyan lang yung hand. This time you catch it, and then point, and then, so wherever you are is fine. You know, you can, sabi, di ba like all stars? Superstars! Yeah, so, okay, yeah, let's try. Downward dog, everyone.
Amazing kami.
Hindi pa inawan, hindi pa inawan.
Andun kita naman.
Right leg up and back, 3-legged, downward facing dog. Bend the right knee, step the right foot outside of your right hand. Sa labas ng kanang kamay. And then scoop your right arm under. And then lift airplane arms. Lift the left arm. Very good. So both arms, letter D. Good. We're gonna take off in a bit. Breathing in. And breathing out. Lower the hands down. So nandyan pa rin yung kamay. Yung right hand sa labas ng right foot. Step your left foot 1 step closer. 2 steps closer. Good. Now, shift your weight to your hands and to the right foot. Lift and bend your left knee. Catch your left foot. Okay? Bend, lift and bend your left. Catch it. And your Oo, sa loob. Pero kung ano, pwede sa labas.
Easy version tayo.
Easy version.
Sa labas.
Easy version. So, kung sa easy version, wherever you are, is fine. Okay? So, point the crown of the head down. So, this is an inversion. Very nice. Okay? Hold it there. Yan. So, yan. Yan. Make sure na sa mga lahat. Yeah. So here you're fine, no? Except that your knee is pointing down, no? Point it up. Alam mo yung ginagawa natin kanina, yung rotate mo siya, tapos para mag-point up siya. Tapos catch mo na lang siya here. Okay, the knee points up. Yan, there you go. Nice one, Weng. Right, the knee up. Good. Tingin ka dito, Weng. Naka-upside down ka. Stretch mo na yung left arm mo sa corner ng mat. Yan. Good. Relax your head down. Look here. Very good.
Smile. Say
Nice.
cheese.
There you go. Okay, Joey. Hold lang. Hold lang. Good. Yan. Joy, relax your head. Look here, Joy. Under. Good. Stretch your left arm out to the Yan. Good. And then point your left knee up. Left knee to the sky. Good. There you go. Release. And then very nice release. Yeah, hold it there. Good. And then release. Okay, let's go. Yes. Rowan, Rowan. Wala kayo sa Rowan. Nang walang dahilan. Ibig sabihin, Rowan. Nice.
Malabo yung mata.
Oh, malabo yung mata. Okay? Yan. Let's go. Sige. Scoop mo. Kaya mo siya doon, di ba? Yan. Lift and bend. Catch mo yung left foot mo. Sige. Good. Start to point it up. Point it up. Parang hip joint mandala. Good. A little more. Nice and lovely. And then, so we have another side. Sige, baka kayo gonna go home here. Okay, downward dog, everyone. Yan, yun na ni Joby. Yan, airplane arms. Left leg up and back. Bend the left knee, step the left foot down sa labas ng kamay. And then scoop the left arm under, airplane your arms.
Nasa airplane ba tayo?
Okay, lower the hands down. So, yung left hand is outside of the left foot. Step the right foot, one step closer. So, pwede nyo tanggalin ito, yung left hand, and then catch nyo siya here. And that's going to be the easier version. Okay? Pwede nyo siya i-catch dyan. Pero ikaw, bless Diyos. Huwag ka na sumali dyan. I-scoop mo siya. I-scoop mo siya sa ilalim. Okay, Dr. Are you insured? Yeah, very good. There you go. So, kung kaya pa, slant mo pa yung right fingers sa side, stretch mo pa siya. Next one. Let's go. Pantay yan, pantay. Get some more. Okay, point some more. Good. Yan. Sige pa, sige pa. Sige. May cramps, yan, may cramps. Okay, go to. Yan,
Sino ba ito? Si Lilia? Ay, tita. Gawin mo yan. Yan. Wala ka na sa ano. Wala na tayong pilates. Dito na tayo ngayon. O, di ba?
Hindi yan. Isa. Ito.
Lahat na ang natugil yan.
Yan, so ito. Yan, watch. Yan.
Yan. Huwag ka ma-pressure. Slowly, slowly.
Usap mo yung
Yan.
sige, pwede. Yan.
Yan. Baba.
Actually, kaya mo.
Magaling. Eh, dapat ginawa na natin ang hair sentence. Barkada na yun, anak. Sabi natin yung mamaya.
Okay, super soldiers. Tension. So, very good, everyone. So that was our people. So, again, no, yung super soldier requires a lot of strength, flexibility, kasi may twist siya, there's a hip stretch, you know, it requires strength of your legs, your arms, and then, yun, a deep twist, also. So it's a lot of body awareness, being aware of the body, concentration, focus, everything. Which reminds us, I said this to the previous classes, it reminds us to be aware of our bodies, listen to our bodies. When your eyes are starting to close and you're on your phone,
You sleep.
you sleep. You sleep already. Listen to your body. When you feel like you want to pee, later na kasi you have so many work.
No.
Diba? It's like jingle is the only rest. So, later, I'll do that later, you know, and then, you know, you keep it doing it, later. And then, you know, something happens. You're not designed, we are not designed to move or to retract the urine back to the kidneys, no? When it's already in the bladder, you have to let it out. When you're hungry, you eat. When you're not hungry, do not eat. That's listening to the body. It's easy, it's so easy to say, but of course we all have our different experiences with all of those things. But this is just a reminder. Okay, to listen to your bodies. Nice. Okay, and then from here, let's the feet together, Madhavanasana, diamond shape with your legs, soles of the feet together, and then lower your hands. Start to extend the arms forward. Move your forehead to your big toes. It doesn't have to touch. Just move in that direction. So may bowing of the head, forehead to the big toes. Then let go. Surrender for a while. And breathe. Inhale slowly, lift your head up, walk your hands back, and gather your knees, and then plant your feet on the floor. Move your feet together. Once you roll on your back, bring your knees with you, and then rock side to side. Massage the lower back. And then lower your feet down, arms to at ease, swing your knees side to side, windshield wipers. Relax your back muscles. So, we're going to do, you have option to come to bridge pose or to your full back bend wheel. So, bridge pose or full back bend wheel. Whenever you're ready, back center. Yeah. Press your palms or you can bend the elbows, press them beside your ears, above your shoulders, and then head off the mat. Press your hands down. Good. Yeah, very good. You adjust your hands. Good. Press. Good. Nice. Yeah, you're almost there. Okay, it's so easy. It's so hard to come out of the pose. Okay. Yeah, so lift your head or go legs down, slide your head. Good. Ilya, ready for backbend? No. Okay. Yeah, relax. Good. Happy baby. Lift your feet, reach for the outer edges, the blades of your feet, and then pull the outer edges of your feet. The inner arms of your feet are pressed towards the ceiling and rock side to side. Rock side to side. Very nice. And then lower your feet down. Take a back center. Lower your legs all the way down. Feet together. Insert your palms under the butt cheeks with your palms facing down. Under the lower back, create a diamond with your thumbs and index fingers. Okay, good. Come to your fish pose. Okay. So lift the chest, little back bend. Crown of the head down on the floor, so the reverse fold in your head. Okay, chest is lifting. Hips is down on the mat. Baba the hips. Yeah. And release. Good. You can move your neck or your head side to side. Just loosen before you come to your final resting pose, your shavasana. Okay. And you can release your fish pose. And then arms by your sides. Face your palms up so you relax my shoulders. Close your eyes. Surrender. Breathe in and breathe out. Present your toes, legs together, arms overhead, full body stretch, and then release. Start lying down on the right side of your body. Take a pillow with your right arm. You're happy, healthy, and calm life. Whenever you're ready, come on to sitting position. Wrap your palms against each other. According to ancient Indian tradition, healing power of our hands are strongest after our yoga practice. Sending that healing energy towards you, inhale. Exhale, release all your sicknesses. Rub the palms. Crush them gently on top of the heart for happiness and peace always. Rub your palms again. Soak your body with your warm hands. All parts of your body that work hard this week, that work hard today, that work hard in practice, your wrists, precious wrists. You're having anxious thoughts, rest your hands on top of the head. Your heart, any part of your body, the back of your head, lower back. We have the capacity to heal ourselves, to bring healing concepts. Put your palms together and pick up your 3 gratitudes for the day and fill your heart with positivity. I think of gratitude and I think of all of you, so thank you. Thank you. Thank you, bless. Thank you, joy. Thank you, Susan. Thank you, Lovely. Thank you, joy. Thank you, Joey. Thank you, Wendy. Thank you, Grace. Thank you, Hilya, for allowing me to guide you today. Put your thumbs to your forehead for clarity of thoughts. Thumbs to your lips for sweetness of words. Thumbs to your heart so you can bring your